Hey, this is Josh from Strange Remains Curio Shop. Now, I know everyone's stuck in their houses and might be bored, so I have a fun little project we're going to go over today. Hydro dipping, turning a regular skull into a skull like this. So, what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to get some basic supplies. All right, so what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to set up an area with a tarp or something outside so that way you can do this safely and you're not making a big mess everywhere. I also use a piece of foam with some broken up sticks in it so that way I can actually mount the skull on it and let it dry. So let's get to painting this. And so what you want to do is you want to get your item that you're going to be hydro dipping. You can use really any item, but we're going to use this raccoon skull. But first you want to give it a prime coat of paint. So we're going to do that with some white paint. All right, now we have our base coat done on our skull. It's all nice and white. So what we're going to do is we are going to get ready. We've got our bucket of water and our paints, our colors that we chose. We've got some rubber gloves. I would suggest wearing a mask or something, but if you can find one right now, highly unlikely. But so we're going to get to spraying the water in there and do some hydro dipping. Just going to take our white, hold it a little bit above, almost a foot. Take the skull,
At an angle.
add an angle, drop it down. And there we go. Now we let it dry and give it a few coats of polyurethane on the outside and it's good. All right, so now here's our finished product. We've clear coated it twice. It's nice and dry, so we can stick it on the shelf and display it. And you know, we are not professionals at this, so we just do it as a fun hobby. So there's always things that we're learning all the time. So if you like this video, subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. And we'll post some other photos along with this of some other ones we've done.